On top inside Edo today, onto COVID-19, Edo state government don't receive more Sempe support on top the fight against this Yamayama disease. Ontop said they want support Edo state government to fit fight this Yamayama disease come out for the state. Now Ambrose Ali University don't come take donate 5,000 face masks give Edo state government. Professor Osadolo Odiaise will be the director for Center for Entrepreneurial Studies for Ambrose Ali University, when I can present the face mask give Edo State Government on behalf of the Vice Chancellor of the university, Professor Ignatius Onimawo, talks say them can't do this ogbonge donation to support Edo State Government so that this Yamayama disease go fit come out for the state.
The very digital Vice Chancellor of Ambrose Ali University, Professor Ignatius Onimawo, present this 5,000 pieces of cloth masks, reusable, rewashable, and very convenient to use, to the Edo State government, to assist the Edo State government in this period of this COVID-19. These masks were produced in the university by the Center for Entrepreneurial Center. 4 years ago, the Ambrose Ali University was a glorified secondary school. Today, it is the best state university in Nigeria. I want to appreciate the Vice Chancellor who pushed us to produce this thing there at the Center for Entrepreneurial Studies, and asked us to come and present it to the government. So it is easy to use. You hold these two ends, just draw it, you form a cup, and then you tie it up to up, down to down. Tie it to your convenience.
Edo State Head of Service, Antonio Kugbowa, wey come receive the donation on behalf of Edo State government, come talk say this donation na ogbonge one. Sake of say Edo people need face mask well, as this one go help stop the waka of this yeye disease.
I appreciate you for this kind gesture. For this response to Mr. Governor's plea for the private sector. In fact, everybody to be part of this fight against COVID-19. Like you would normally say, this experience is not a 100-meter dash. We're actually in a marathon, but a war situation. So everybody must put his hand on deck with the government of Edo State to ensure that we succeed eventually in this fight. So once again, on behalf of Mr. Governor, Governor of Edo State, I want to thank you immensely for this effort. I also want to urge you to encourage others to do what you have done so that this fight can be a lot easier than it is currently. So once again, thank you very much.
Now still on top the donation matter, Elite Foods Limited don't want to donate palliatives give Edo State government. So take support Edo children as them they learn for house. The management of Elite Food Limited don't donate 20 cartons of malted chin-chin give Edo State government to take support the state government for this fight against COVID-19. Celestine Neraon Esquire, wey come present the donation on behalf of Elite Foods Limited, Yan said the company they see the ogbonge work where Edo State government they do to take stop the waka of this Yamayama disease for Edo State, and at this one can make them donate the items to take support the state government. Edith said they will be the director of admin for Office of the Secretary to Edo State Government. When I can receive the donation on behalf of the Secretary to Edo State Government, Osarojan Oge Esquire, Yan say Edo State children they house, unto say schools they on lockdown on top this COVID-19 matter. Said them still they learn for house, and Edo State Government they reach out to them even as them they for house. Oge talk said this one are the second donation where Edo State Government they receive for Edo children, and in country way better salute give Elite Food Limited as them can do this ogbonge donation to help Edo children learn well for house.
This is the second donation we are having this week that is targeted at the children. As we know, the children are at home, learning from home, and we are also hoping, and we have been reaching out to them while they are at home. So this will form some of the amenities we are sharing for our children while they are learning at home. So we are very grateful, and thank you very much for the donation. Thank you.
Now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today. On top say AAU don't come present 5,000 face masks give Edo State government, and Elite Food Limited don't come donate 20 cartons of malted chin-chin give the state government to fit fight coronavirus disease come up for the state. Make una sabi say na T Live Media na carry this ogbonge informate come give una as the hot.